Here we are in Edinburgh, and they have giraffes all over the town. And while we're just going through down the main street here, we would have to say that so far Edinburgh has the best architecture. Like the most historic, it looks like, out of any place we've seen. They seem to have quite a bit of it, with modern mixed in, but a whole lot of it. So we'll see how that turns out for the rest of the day, how it compares. There we go. Here's another giraffe. Hashtag giraffe about town. What was that, Becca?
There are 8 on the bus route. Yep.
At least. And you can download their app to find out where all the giraffes are in Edinburgh.
Except there were more on the tram, I think. Yep.
There were a bunch. But we liked
Yep.
them.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
It was fun.
Yep. Yep.
That's fun, kiddos. Turn. What number giraffe is that, y'all? Nice.